What's up, guys? Mike here, head trader at True Trading Group, and on August 15th, nice day in SINT. I also closed out the SPY put option trade that I entered yesterday. If you missed that video, go back, check it out. Just a video I posted yesterday. I bought some SPY put options. I was looking for a move down towards 282 today on the SPY, and I got it, but there was a lot of time decay on those contracts because the SPY just really churned all morning. And I'll talk about that first before I get into this SINT. SINT is the main topic on this video, guys, and there's a couple of there's technical lessons and a mental lesson also on SINT that I'm going to cover with you. This is a really nice trade. It was a really nice win for us today. But let's go back to the SPY first. So yesterday in the SPY, if you guys missed the video from yesterday, go check it out. We caught a big time move in the SPY. Okay, we bought SPY put options yesterday, bought them here, sold them here. That was a really nice trade for us yesterday. And then I went back as a swing trade and I bought more put options, okay, right there yesterday. And then today I sold out of them right here and right there. Okay, so go back and check out that video from yesterday. I bought on the swing trade. So yesterday on the swing trade, I bought 285 strike puts on Friday's expiration at $2.53. I sold 25% of the position right there at $3.17. I sold the bulk of the position right here at $3.32. And then I got flat the position right there at $1.98. I'll take it to my trade announcements on the day so you can check it out. Let's see. Here we go at 1:54 p.m. Took more profit. SPY 285, 816s at 332. That's from the entry from yesterday. And then I got flat at 198. So on the last piece of the position, I actually lost money on that last piece. But the bulk of the position off at 332. And then the other take profit yesterday at 317 puts me into the green. Green on the trade. So it was a nice little trade. We got down and we put in a tail. My target was this area. And you guys can see we put in a tail right down there today. Okay, so there's that support level. That's the area that we hit today. We didn't quite get down to it. We still had a little bit more room to the downside. We bounced a little early. You can see we didn't quite get down to this level, but when we rallied back. So once we started to bounce back off this support level, that's when I bailed and I just got flat the rest of the position. But it was a nice little trade. So again, if you missed that video, go back, check it out. It was just the last video I posted yesterday. Now, SINT, the main trade here on the day. This was a funny one today. This was a fantastic morning long, and another probably even a more fantastic afternoon short. I know a lot of traders that shorted this thing in the afternoon, and I know a lot of traders that went long in the morning. It was that kind of day. Now, the first thing I want to talk to you about on SINT. SINT was on the watch list today. It's a recent reverse split. Small caps have not really been trading all that well lately. In the summer, it's normal. We haven't had a lot of continuation and follow through in the small caps. But this SINT, this one looked pretty good pre-market. We had really good volume off the opening bell. And it's a recent reverse split. And we thought that we had room, okay, up to this area. Okay, you guys can see here some previous resistance. And you got a little support. And, I don't have my 100-day on here. I don't have my 100-day on this chart, but the 100-day moving average sits right here just below 450 as well. So you have the 100-day moving average sitting there as well. And that's what we were looking at here today as a potential target for this move, this SINT on the watch list this morning. And right off the bell, we pushed higher with real good volume off the bell. So I like that, but I don't chase that opening move. Okay, so what I did was I drew out my Fibonacci retracement levels from yesterday's close because we had the gap up. Okay, and I brought it up to today's high. And then you see that we had the trade line come up here at the 38.2 Fibonacci level. We had some decreasing volume here on this pullback. All right, so I actually came on in chat. And we're going to talk about the mental lesson first on SINT because I came on the mic right here. And I was like, guys, watch SINT, trade lines lining up at 38.2 fib level. The volume is slowing down. Keep an eye on SINT. About 3 minutes after I said that, bang, we just rip right through the high of the day. And I was trying to just like bid my way in here. And I was trying to limit order myself in. I was trying to bid myself in. I never got a fill, and the stock just took off. We just took off, went right through the high of the day on a real nice, strong increase in volume. And I was like, damn. I was like, I missed it. I can't believe I missed it. I was just talking about it. I was like trying to get myself in. I didn't market order in. Hindsight's 2020, and maybe I should just market order it in, but I didn't. I was trying to bid myself in, and I just never got a fill. And that was the difference between me getting long at 290 versus we ended up going up here and putting in a new high of 349 on that move, and I was like, damn. So here's the mental lesson. The mental lesson here is I did not kick and scream because I missed that first move, guys. I say this all the time. If a stock is truly strong, you will get more than one crack at it. Okay, if a stock's truly strong, it's gonna do a lot more than one and done. So if you miss that first move, don't get upset about it. Okay, you were right. The stock did what I thought it was going to do. I was right. So don't kick and scream and then just throw SINT out the window and feel like you just missed the move. Get to work, because you're right. The stock did what you thought it was going to do. That means you've got a good feel for the stock. Your analysis was correct. So keep going. Look for another entry opportunity. And that's exactly what I did. Because you can see here, okay, this previous high of the day, here's our previous high of the day. Okay, we broke through that on a real nice strong increase in volume. We had the trade line, obviously is an area of support because the trade line is what caused this big push through the high of the day. Then you get a trade line VWAP crossover. And I'm saying to myself, this could be a real nice area of support. And I got long on this tail. This tail pullback right here. We pulled in here down to 322. And I jumped in SINT. Let me zoom this in. Long SINT at $3.26. Right on this tail. Right? Why right at that price point? Right in front of the previous high. Okay, right in front of this previous high. So on that tail, bang, I got the fill at 326. Right away, we push up and we try to break through the high of the day, which was 349. And we just got, there was so much selling there at 350 that I thought we were going to break right through 350 on this red candle, but we kept getting denied. Like, I'm talking, we would get up to 350, 350, 350, 350, and then back down to 340. Then 350, 350, 350, back down to 340. So when I started to see it, I said, oh, okay, you know what? Small caps haven't given me all that much continuation lately. Let me play it safe. And I dropped 25% of my position right here. Took some profits at 344. Okay, but sure enough, 3 minutes later, bang, we get the break to new highs. And on that break to new highs right there, I took the bulk of my position off the table. There it is, took more profit off at 374. I sold 50% of my position. Now, I'm down to 25% of my position size, looking for a move up to that 450 area. Okay, that area that we talked about on the daily chart. It's like this is 430 to 450. Okay, that's the area that we're looking for. So I'm still holding on to 25% of my position, and we can't get through 4. We get a quick little pullback, and then we consolidate, and we have this little pull-in. What I want you to notice as I redraw out our Fibonacci retracement level, okay, so here we redraw out our Fibonacci retracement level. What we start to notice here is that the previous high of the day starts to line up with VWAP, and you have the 38.2 Fibonacci level sitting directly beneath it. I then start to notice this downtrend resistance line that gets put in place here, and I'm saying this is a little bit of a TTG triangle pattern. Here's my nice support level. Here's my downtrend resistance line. But the key takeaway here on this technical setup is look at how low this volume was. Okay, look at the volume, how low the volume was on the pullback compared to the strong volume on these surges higher. Okay, see these surges higher, you see that volume, and then look at this volume on the pullback, night and day. So I said to myself, I'm holding 25% of my position, and I'm thinking to myself, if we hold VWAP, we might squeeze up to that 430, 450 area that we were talking about originally. But at this point, I've already sold the bulk of my position. So I took this opportunity, a break above this downtrend resistance line to buy back more. And right there, okay, at 10:49 a.m., added back SINT 362, stop loss 340 area on the add. Okay, meaning I bought shares back at 362 to take me back to a full-size position. Right when we broke above this downtrend resistance line, we extended. We got up to the high of the day, which was $4. And right here in front of the high of the day, I took some profit off the table. Took some profit at 388. Okay, then we break through the high of the day. And I got a little lucky here on this one. I had an order already sitting out at 420. And the high of the day, the high of this candle, excuse me, the high of this candle was 422. So I got a little lucky on that fill. Back to my trade announcements here, you can see took more profit off at 420, still holding some. And at this point now, I'm back down to 25% of my position to see if we actually do get a real true short squeeze. But we failed. We pulled it back in, and I ended up stopping out of the rest of the position right there at 370. Here you guys can see final take profit 370. Okay, so here's the initial entry, 25% off the table, 50% off the table, added back to a full-size position, 25% off the table, 50% off the table, flat the position. Okay, and then you guys can see then it's a monster short. I mean, this was a glaring short. If you were able to get a borrow on this, this is a glaring slam dunk short. A failed break through the high of the day. Okay, a new high of the day that failed on extremely light volume right at the beginning of lunchtime. That is a slam dunk short setup for those of you that like to short these small caps and can get borrows on them. Was a slam dunk screaming short. All right, and through light speed, I couldn't get a borrow on it. So that's it, guys. SINT. There it is, a nice day. And then, like I said, we added to some of those gains from the SPY put options, and it was a good day. This has been a really, really strong week in chat. We have a lot of members that are hitting milestones this week between SPY put options, the Roku put options, the RKDA trade that we nailed, now SINT. We have a lot of members who so far, we're only halfway through the month, and we have some members that are already at their, if the month ended today, would be their biggest month ever. And a couple people that had some of their biggest days at some point throughout the week, mostly because we were really nailing some of those option trades. And it's been a really strong week. So we're going to come in here tomorrow. We're going to look to finish the week off strong. But it's been a really nice week here. I'm really, really proud of my team. I'm really proud of the whole True Trading Group team because we've really got some people that are, taking the next step in their development as traders and that are achieving milestones and are crossing off goals. And it's really awesome to see. It's really, really awesome to see. Guys, do me a favor, follow me on Twitter. I'm always posting my trades and what I think is going on Twitter. That's at MikeEdward_TTG. Like, comment below. I respond to everybody. I really appreciate the love. Make sure to subscribe to get all the content that I put out here every day, mental and technical lessons, day in and day out. And we'll look to finish the week off strong tomorrow. I'll see you guys in chat. Take care.